Okay, good day to everyone. Let's help me to unbox this one. I got this from Gundam Cafe in Odaiba. So let's check this out. The magic this cup can do. All right, looks good and pretty nice print. Nice print. So let's see the magic. Let's see the magic. I have hot water here. So let's see what it does, how it does, or alright. Okay, that's nice. So when you pour hot water, the red lines disappear. See, there it's beginning to fade, and also here. Well, it's good. Nice. So if you can visit the Gundam Cafe, I suggest that you cop this one, this item, and it's a very nice souvenir. See you later. Please like and subscribe or add comments. Bye for now.